My name is Lenora. I've been Muslim for 5 months now. I took my Shahada on March 3rd. My favorite surah is chapter 18, Al-Kahf, verse 27 through 29. And recite that which has been revealed to thee of the book of thy Lord, and there is none who can alter his words, and thou wilt find no refuge beside him. And keep thyself with those who call on their Lord morning, evening, desiring his goodwill, and let not thine eyes pass from them, desiring the beauties of this world's life. And follow not him whose heart we have made unmindful of our remembrance, and he follows his low desires, and his case exceeds due bounds. And say, the truth is from your Lord, so let him who please believe, and let him who please disbelieve. Surely we have prepared for the iniquitous a fire, an enclosure of which will encompass them. And if they cry for water, they are given water like molten brass, scalding their faces, evil the drink, and ill the resting place. I chose this ayat because it spoke to me. As a new Muslim coming into Islam, I've been getting a lot of feedback from friends and family members, and this verse really spoke to me because it leads me to know that I am following the right faith and I am doing what Allah has asked me to do. So when I need reflection and empowerment, I read this ayah and it encourages me to continue to walk in the faith and the path of Allah in Islam.